Hi friends, welcome to Krishna Tech Info. In this video we can see how to install Nextcloud on Ubuntu. Nextcloud is an open source, powerful and secure PHP based content collaboration platform which is built for file synchronization and sharing. It offers a safe, secure and flexible solution which allows users to share one or more files and directories on their system. You can also synchronize them to the Nextcloud server. The Nextcloud server software, which runs on Linux system, client applications for Linux, Microsoft Windows and Mac OS, and as well as the mobile clients for Android and iOS. The Nextcloud comes with the enterprise features for the individual, small enterprises, large enterprises, and the service providers. For configuring the Nextcloud server, you need to have the LAMP stack installed in your system. I've already done a video on how to install LAMP stack on Ubuntu. I'll post the video link on this video's description. You can use that link to configure the LAMP setup on Ubuntu, and then you can proceed with the Nextcloud installation. In this server I already installed the Apache, MySQL and PHP. Now we can see how to install the Nextcloud. First we can configure the DB part. So login into MySQL, mysql-u root -p. Now we can create the database for accessing the Nextcloud. Create database Nextcloud. Now the database created. Now create the database user. Create user admin at localhost identified by your database user password and semicolon. Give enter. Now the user is created. Now we can grant privilege for the database. Grant all privileges on database name, just Nextcloud dot asterisk to admin at localhost identified by the password semicolon. Give enter. Now the permissions are set for the database. Now run fresh privileges and enter. Now exit. Now the DB part is done. Next we can see how to download the Nextcloud package and configure the Nextcloud. You can use this following link to download the Nextcloud package. I will post this download link in the description. Give enter. Now the package is getting downloaded. This will take some time. Now the package is downloaded. Now we can unzip the package. Unzip the package name. Give enter. Now the package extraction is completed. Now we can copy the Nextcloud package contents to var www HTML directory. Now give enter. Now the files are copied. Now we need to change the ownership for the directory. Change own www data www data space var www HTML Nextcloud. Now give enter. You need to add the -r option to set ownership for the subdirectories. Next we can see how to configure the Apache to serve the Nextcloud. You can create the configuration file in /etc apache2 sites available nextcloud.conf. Give enter. In this Apache configuration file you need to add these following lines to it. You need to add the Alias for the Nextcloud file contents, and the directory configuration should be like this. You need to give the necessary permissions and the module configuration, and last is the setting environmental variable. Now save the file and exit. For this Nextcloud configuration we need to enable some Apache modules. We have that modules here. First enable this configuration, then A2EN mode rewrite, then headers, directory and mime. Now restart the Apache web service to take effect. Now the Apache web service is restarted. Now you can open your browser and configure the Nextcloud. You can see the IP is 1.10. Enter your IP address Nextcloud. Now give enter. Now you can see the installation pages appear. You can create your admin account here, password for it. You can choose your data folder here. By default it is in the var.html nextcloud/data, and in database you need to configure the MySQL database. We have already done this. You can enter the user that you have created here. The database username is admin, and the password and the database name, which is Nextcloud. Now you can take this install recommended apps, that is calendar, contacts, talk, mail, and only office, and you can click finish setup. Now here you can see the installation page. Now it is installing the apps. This will take some time. Now we can see the installation is completed. Now click next, and you can see the features that are available in Nextcloud. You can see the Nextcloud App Store has more than 100 apps to customize your cloud. It has the grouper apps like calendar, contacts, mail. For communication you have the Nextcloud Talk, collaboration apps for document editing. You also have the security and authentication features like two-factor authentication, SSO, and ransomware protection. For your mobile clients you can download it from Google Play Store and the Apple Store. You also have the desktop apps for Windows, Mac, and Linux. This is the Nextcloud store. Here you can activate your apps. Here are the apps that are already enabled, and you can see the other options that are available: default encryption module, external storage support, and talk. And here you have the files. This is the activity page. This is the mail option. In this video we saw how to install Nextcloud and Ubuntu. We can see the other features of the Nextcloud in the coming videos. Thanks for watching this video. Post your comments and suggestions. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button to get instant notifications on my videos. You can follow me on this Instagram ID and Facebook page. For any queries you can reach me on this Skype ID.